In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pay rent with Melio. To begin, open your web browser and sign in to your Melio account. Once you are logged in, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct business profile, if you manage more than one. This helps make sure the payment is recorded under the right account and makes your rent history easier to track later. Next, go to the Pay area in the main menu. From there, choose Bills, and then select New Payment. This opens the payment form where you will enter your rent details. Melio is designed to guide you through this screen in a simple order so you can focus on accuracy. Now enter your landlord's name or the property management company name. If this is your first time paying this landlord through Melio, be careful to type the name exactly as you want it to appear on your records and payment confirmations. Clear, consistent naming can save time when you search past payments or set up future rent payments. After that, enter the rent amount. Double-check that you have the full amount for the correct rental period, especially if there were recent changes such as a rent increase or a prorated month. Then select the due date. The due date is important because it helps you plan the timing of the payment and reduces the chance of paying late. Choose the date that matches your lease terms or your landlord's requested schedule. Next, choose how you want to pay. You can select credit card if you want the option to earn rewards through your card, or you can choose bank transfer if you prefer paying directly from your bank account. When deciding, consider your own priorities such as processing time, cash flow, and any card-related costs or limits. Whichever method you choose, make sure it matches your budget and timing needs. Finally, review the information on the screen one last time, including the payee name, amount, due date, and payment method. When everything looks correct, click Send to submit the payment. Melio will handle the delivery of the payment based on the method you selected, and your payment will be logged in your account for reference. That covers everything you need to know.